Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 16 April 2022, and today's Viva topic name is Java and JavaScript. So let's discuss about. According to the Java platform official website, the main difference between Java and JavaScript is that Java is an object-oriented programming language, while JavaScript is an object-oriented programming script. The JavaScript code is written completely in text and need only be interrupted. The Java, on the other hand, must be compiled. So let's discuss about what is Java. Java is an object-oriented programming language. It is very important programming language and has a virtual machine platform. It is independent language. Uh, it is run on nearly every platform in our programming. Uh, Java can perform returns one run anywhere. The features of Java programming language. First one is a platform independent. Compile convert source code to bytecode and then the JVM execute the bytecode generated by the compiler. This bytecode can run on any platform in our programming. Then second one is a object oriented programming language. Organize the program in the learns to collection of object is a way of object oriented programming, each of which represent an instance of the class. There are the main four pillars are included in object oriented programming concept. First one is a abstraction, second one is a encapsulation, third one is a inheritance, and last one is a polymorphism. Then third feature, simple. Java is a simple object oriented programming language. It does not have complex features like pointers, operators, overloading, multiple inheritance, explicit memory allocation. Then fifth one is a robust. The Java is a robust programming language. It means reliable. It is developed in such a way that it puts a lot of effort into checking error as early as possible in our program. That is why the Java compiler is able to detect even those errors in our programming. Another programming language are included. Then sixth one is a secure. In Java, Java programming language is a secure programming language. Um, in Java, we do not have pointers, and so we cannot access out of bound arrays. That is, it allows array out of bound exception if we try to do so. Then distributed. We can create distributed application using the Java programming language. The Java programming language are used for creating in any ways for creating uh, to distribution application in Java. Then multi-threading. Java supports multi-threading. It is a Java features that allows concurrent execution of two or more parts of a program for maximum utilization of CPU. And then we discuss about second point. The second point name is a JavaScript. The JavaScript is a lightweight programming language. Uh, it is a scripting language and it is used to make web pages interactive. It can insert dynamic text into HTML. JavaScript is also known as browser's language. JavaScript is not similar or related to Java. Both the languages have a C-like syntax and are widely used in client-side and server-side web applications. But there are Few similarities only are included in the features of a JavaScript. The JavaScript was created in the first place of place of DOM manipulation. Earlier websites were mostly static. After JavaScript was created, dynamic websites were made. Then functions of JavaScript. They many have properties and methods just like another object. They can be passed as arguments in other function. Can handle date and time. It can perform for from validation through the form are created using HTML. Then no compiler is needed. That's all about today's topic, Java and JavaScript. I hope we can understand. Thank you.